I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fusion key. First, identify your specific key fob model, as opening methods can vary slightly. Locate the small release button or slot, usually found on the side or back of the fob. Press this button or insert a small tool into the slot, then pull out the emergency key blade. This step is crucial for accessing the internal components. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small opening. Insert a thin, flat object, like a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, into this slot. Gently twist the tool to begin prying the two halves of the key fob apart. Work slowly and carefully around the entire seam to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The goal is to separate the halves without excessive force. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small circular battery. Most Ford Fusion key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Before removing the old battery, take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery and then insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive, or plus, side facing upwards into the compartment. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring a secure seal. Reinsert the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.